In this series, we explored why your brain freezes, how words change your mind, and how daily practice rewires confidence. But here's the final question. How do you go from breaking free to becoming unstoppable? Today, we'll uncover the science of motivation and wrap up everything we've learned into one powerful system. The science, motivation, and dopamine circuits. Motivation isn't magic. It's chemistry. At the core is dopamine, the brain's reward signal. When you anticipate progress, not just achieve it, dopamine rises and drives action. But if you chase only the finish line, motivation burns out fast. Stanford neuroscientist Andrew Huberman explains, motivation skyrockets when you learn to reward the process, not just the result. This means each micro step, each reframed thought, each practice is not just progress. It's literally reprogramming your dopamine system to keep moving forward. Example, remember that person? At first, frozen in front of the wall. Then they learned words could melt the ice. They practiced daily, built confidence, and now they face the same wall differently. Instead of panic, they take one small step. The brain releases dopamine. That fuels the next step. Before they know it, the wall isn't a wall anymore. It's a staircase. This is how unstoppable momentum is built. Not by waiting for motivation, but by creating it chemically, step by step. Practical system. So here's the complete system we've built through all 5 parts. Awareness. Recognize freeze as a survival circuit, not failure. Language. Label and reframe. Words reroute your neural activity. Action. Take micro steps. Small wins trigger dopamine and weaken mental blocks. Training, repeat daily. Neuroplasticity turns skills into habits. Motivation hack. Reward the process. Celebrate effort, not just outcomes, so your dopamine system keeps you moving. Follow this system, and you won't just break mental blocks. You'll rewire your brain to turn them into fuel for the rest of your life. Ending grand wrap-up. So, here's the truth we discovered across 5 episodes. You freeze, not because you're weak, but because your brain protects you. Words can rewire your circuits in real time. Practice makes confidence automatic. Dopamine turns small steps into unstoppable momentum. You are not broken. You are wired for survival. And with the right tools, that same wiring makes you unstoppable. And that's a wrap. We've just finished our 5-part journey on mental freeze. But honestly, this doesn't have to be the end. It can be the start of your own practice. Here's the real question. Now that you know how to break free, how do you take it even further? How do you start thinking outside the box and unlocking your full creativity? That's what we're diving into in the next series. So get ready, because the next level starts soon. But before you go, I want to hear from you. Which part of this series hit you the hardest? Drop it in the comments, and let's keep building this unstoppable community together.